We spent 4 amazing days in Hoi An, Vietnam, from tailor-made clothes to cooking classes and boat rides. Here's everything we did.
Material if you do for the trouser, something like that for working trouser, or you can wear with shirt. It's nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's a different thing for the shoulder.
Yeah, and the shoulder would gather up. I think that would look nice color. I think so too. I think this will.
Do elastic, so we do with the zip pin.
Okay.
You see like this one, and the long one to here.
Yes.
Bên về nó có 10.
Chicken, okay, right? Chicken. Yeah. And peanut. From this one.
Yeah.
Some people say kurkuma. This one. Today we will cook papaya salad, deep fried with chicken with lemongrass, ginger. You like more chili, you add more chili for spicy, and Vietnamese rice pancake. For food we do today.
Okay.
Yeah. For food for cooking, more food from the kitchen, and not time for cook everything.
Oh yeah, I
For
can.
food today. Yeah. Buy some lemongrass. Yeah. Do you know lemongrass?
Yeah. It's almost in every dish.
Yes, every day open, very fresh. We open every day for cooking.
Yeah.
Serving, yeah. The lemongrass from her garden.
Okay. And she
Mời cô nghe.
grows all of this stuff.
Yeah.
She grows everything.
Yes. She from the garden.
Okay, that's okay.
And yes, big market we open 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. and afternoon 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. every day. And in the midst they relax and to one. So we feel here, yeah. I'm looking, but we don't buy now.
Oh, okay. No, this way, Baba.
On the side.
No. You can show. No. Here.
one. Yeah.
Team working, your chef. The
try.
Copy like me, you
Let me
can.
make sure you get it on video. Spread him a bit.
Copy like me. Yeah, that good. Like here.
Mhm.
Again, there you go. One on the side and Nico. Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, look good.
Oh, it's he's got a nerves.
I'm taking half an hour.
You can for him, chef.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my
You can for Team
god.
US.
Keep going.
How about Team England? One learning. Try.
I'm gonna try it, yeah.
Shake it.
Give this one, sir. Check it.
Shake it. You have to shake.
Your thick stir.
Shake it, Mike. Shake.
Are you okay? Hey, Baba. You scare me too. Check it.
Shake it. Go ahead, Chef Michael. Shake it. I'm scared to push it over. Yeah, I guess because all the hair.
Take it off,
Okay, it wasn't the film. I like it.
Thank you.
So here it is, my custom-made outfit that was made in Hoi An. I had it designed and tailor-made, and I truly love the way that it came out. This is a two-piece set, the pants, with the pockets on both sides and the top.
So that wraps up our 4 days in Hoi An. From custom tailored outfits and cooking classes to basket boat rides and exploring the lantern-filled Old Town, this trip was a lot of fun. Thanks so much for joining us on the journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next adventure. See you on the next one.